Okay, we are on the last page of 7.9. We haven't unlocked the problem and one more division chart at the bottom. Okay, so this problem says Carlos has 28 blue tang fish and 17 yellow tang fish in one large fish tank. He wants to separate the fish so that there are the same number of fish in each of 9 smaller tanks. How many tang fish will Carlos put in each smaller tank? Whew, okay, so that's a lot of clues, a lot more going on than what we're used to. So let's take it one step at a time. First, we need to figure out what do we need to find. Remember, that's this question sentence at the end. So you just need to take this question sentence and copy it here. How many tang fish will Carlos put in each smaller tank? All right, why do we need to use two different operations? Operations are like types of math problems: addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, to solve this problem. So if I look back up here, how do we know we're going to have two different operations? Well, if they're talking about blue tang fish and yellow tang fish, and then they ask me to sell the fish, then I know that my first operation is going to have to do with like combining the fish together. Like I need to put the yellow ones and the blue ones together, right? That's combining. So that would be addition. Okay. But then later on, when they asked me to separate them into tanks equally, that is division. When you're separating things equally, that's division. Okay, so that's my explanation for part B here. All right, it says write the steps to find how many tang fish Carlos will put into each smaller tank. So basically, they're asking you, can you solve the problem now? This is a multi step problem. They already gave you a hint that it's 2 steps, but not only is it 2 steps, you have to do 2 different operations. Okay, so, and I kind of gave you a hint too. So up here, I see the word and. 28 blue and 17 yellow, and he has them all in one large tank, so that means we have to combine them. So 28 plus 17. I'm going to start on the right here with my addition. 8 plus 7 is 15. Carry the 1 over. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So he has 45 total fish swimming in this big tank. But now he wants to take them, separate them into 9 smaller tanks. So that's like division. I could do a bar model if I wanted because I'm taking all this. Ooh, I don't know if I'll have space, but I need to make 9 small tanks in here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and I'm going to take this 45 and I'm going to pass them out one at a time. Okay, now some of you might already know that that would be 5 in each. 5, 5. And what I can do to check that is I could just go back and count all of them and see if it really does equal the 45 that I need it to, because I'm supposed to have this be 45 fish altogether. So I can count it. 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. All right. And so what's my final answer? I have lots of numbers on my page here. So make sure when you are solving with all kinds of steps, make sure at the end you write your final answer to the question. The question is, how many tang fish will he put in each smaller tank? So how many is in each one? 5. 5 fish. Okay, so I did my own model here, and then they're going to ask me to basically explain it in sentences. So Carlos has blank blue. So he has 28 blue and 17 yellow in one large fish tank. He wants to separate the fish so that there are the same number of fish in each of blank smaller tanks. How many smaller tanks does he have? 9. So Carlos will put 5 fish in each tank. If you got that, awesome job. That was a tricky one. Okay, I'm gonna just fill in the answer for the last one. Okay, this is a division table. The top is the dividend. The bottom number right here on the left is the divisor. 27 divided by 9 is 3. 18 divided by 9 is 2. 45 divided by 9 is 5. 36 divided by 9 is 4. Remember, if you did not get all those, you need to be using strategies we practiced, drawing circle groups, using a multiplication equation. Okay, good job, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.